Hey fellow explorers, today I am in Bloomington, Indiana, home of the Indiana University, and in this video I'm going to be showing you around the downtown area, starting my walk here at the Monroe County Courthouse at the intersection of Kirkwood and College Avenue. This is a very walkable, lively area. Being a big college town, it has a lot of nightlife. Restaurants here open late, like you'll find restaurants and cookie shops that are open until midnight or even later in this neighborhood. And so if you're in the Indiana area or you're coming to visit Indiana University, this is a great spot to walk around, explore, and do some shopping and some eating while you're here. I'm going to show you on this map roughly what we're going to do in our walk. So we're beginning right here at the Monroe County Courthouse at this intersection. Little square around here, lots of stuff to walk on. And then down Kirkwood Avenue, we'll check out 4th Street and then head to the Indiana University campus. You can see that courthouse where I started the walk. Very picturesque, old classic courthouse. Here, there's a little Fountain Square Mall with a bunch of stores. You can pick up all your Hoosiers swag right here. This building was originally built in 1895. But some of the stores do close early. They've got a cool fountain inside, hence it's called the Fountain Mall. Yes, but souvenirs from the university are popular to pick up at many of these souvenir shops. Now, the parking down here, you are going to pay for parking if you're coming and driving to this area. You'll find lots of parking meters on the main streets, or you'll find some parking garages off on the various side streets. But you can see there's lots of restaurants up and down this street as well. This is Walnut Street that we're crossing. The Trojan Horse is a popular late night eating establishment. This was busy last night as I walked through here. What do we got at the Trojan Horse? They've got some like kebabs in the window there, mostly a kind of like Middle Eastern eatery. Oh, they are hiring. You can inquire within. This building was built in 1907 right here. The Uptown Cafe has been here since 1976. You can tell the classic old buildings where they even got windows down into the basement down below. Now, another spot, if you're looking for parking, just behind Kirkwood Avenue, a lot of these buildings have big parking lots just on that back side. Outdoor seating out here in front of Farm Bloomington, which there's a cool little signed alley right here. The Oddfellows Alley, lots of alleys in this neighborhood, but it goes to the parking just in back. Oh, and you know what? It definitely feels like a neighborhood that's loved, because you'll even see little like flower pots out here like that. I am here in September, so, you know, prime fall flower growing season. Oh, and there's a cafe and cakery here. This place is also open late for cakes and ice cream. This is the Indiana Theater in anticipation of Bloomington Pride Fest. They've got But I'm a Cheerleader coming soon. Fall events are coming soon. Get your tickets today. We've got some different groups here. That's what's playing right now. As we go down this way, if you're hankering for some Mexican food that's open late, let's take a look at the hours at Chubby's Burritos, open until 1, 2, 3:30 in the morning on Fridays and Saturdays, or get your Taco Tuesday on for tacos at $2. CVS is going to be the big grocery store. CVS is going to be the big pharmacy, drugstore, 2-story CVS with escalators that'll take you up to the top. Some signs here in the downtown to tell you where the various things are. All right, nice brick crosswalks to cross the street. And this is a sidewalk dismount zone, so if you're riding your bikes, skateboards, you need to walk them if you're on the sidewalks over here. Lots of trees, makes it nice and shady here if it's a hot summer day. This is just about 6 o'clock in September. Sun sets at 8 p.m. late today. We've got Orange Theory Fitness, big popular gym open until 9 p.m. in this new development here. Coming up on the right, we got Sweet Green, popular salad shop. It's kind of like the Chipotle of salad. This is a big location, but you know what? Because so many people want meat, they have added meat to the menu. You can get caramelized garlic steak on your salad if you are a meat-atarian like me. Well, you can see across the street some Indiana University college students walking to dinner, walking back home. This is just, like I say, lively all hours of the day. It's illuminated, bright lights at night. We've got somebody who threw some shoes up there on the electric pole. All right, we've got the old National Bank on the right, brickwork. On the left is the Monroe County Public Library. And by the way, if you're looking for a hotel when you're coming here, a lot of hotels in downtown Bloomington. I am staying at the Hyatt Place, which I found quite nice. I've enjoyed it. Hotel review on that might be out by the time you watch this, or might be coming soon. If it is out by the time you've watched this, I will put a link at the end of this video and in the description. Here we've got an outpost of Dave's Hot Chicken from Los Angeles. There's a chain that specializes in, yes, fried hot chicken sandwiches, Nashville style, $6.99 or $6.69. You can get that. Red chairs, pretty tasty. I like Dave's Hot Chicken. I've not eaten at this location, but I've eaten at their locations in Los Angeles many, many times. All right, across the street we've got a doner kebab truck serving up some European kebabs. And here in the corner we've got a place selling moonstones in this classic, like, brick Victorian style building. We've got the Modish Hair Company, and then down here we've got the Soma Coffee House and Juice Bar. There are lots of bakeries, there are lots of coffee shops. That is across from the old school Trinity Episcopal Church. Looks like a very well-maintained church. And across the street we've got this cafe pizzeria that, as far as I can tell, has not been open since I've been here. We've got the Village Deli with some outdoor seating. We've got some pizza places up the way that are open till late in the night. We've got a Five Guys burgers and fries, the English Hut, and on the right we've got an outpost of Chipotle. I mentioned that the salad place was a salad version of Chipotle. Well, there's a Chipotle here. College kids' favorite for kind of these gigantic burritos. This Chipotle, look how late they open. This Chipotle is open until 11 p.m. I have never seen a Chipotle open that late, but I guess that's when they get a lot of their business. Another souvenir shop, the Indiana shop across the street. On the right, we have Raising Cane's chicken fingers. What do you get there? Yes, chicken fingers, fries, pretty much it. Z&C, teriyaki and sushi. Do those two things go together? I don't really think so, but you can get a teriyaki bowl here for $8.05. There's a pizza place, Goodfellas Pizzeria, open late. Over in here, we've got lots more eateries. We've got Insomnia Cookies. This one is like open till 2 a.m. or 1 a.m., something like that. We've got the Upstairs Pub, which is upstairs. We've got Rita's Frozen Custards. We've got ramen. You know what? Let's actually go ahead and walk through here, shall we? This is kind of like a little plaza. The Upstairs Pub goes through that staircase. We've got Malatong. We got a bar after 9 p.m. Here we find the Rita's Frozen Custard on the back. All right, there are lots of little nooks and crannies. Here's the actual window of Rita's Frozen Custards. They have really good ice cream. Like, it's a custard. There's like basically like a thicker ice cream. They also have Italian ice. You can get the Italian ice with custard on the bottom. Here's all the different things they've got, but if you've never had Rita's before, definitely worthwhile to check this out on a warm summer day when you are in Bloomington. Okay, so now we're gonna come down off Kirkwood. It's not a Costco brand. Off Kirkwood and go to 4th Avenue because there's a little section of restaurants here known as like the international part. So if you're looking for some more ethnic food, then you will find it back here. Ethnic food that isn't maybe just Chipotle, right? But so they are in these little houses back over here. And on this corner, we've got the Siam House, we've got India Garden, we got a number of like international eateries over there. Oh, and you can pick up the Indiana Daily Student, the student newspaper right here. Lots of them. They're getting prepped for the 2024 Big Ten. Okay, so now as we continue this way, you can see all these parking lots that are here in the back to park at. More metered parking back here. And then we are just one block from Indiana University. You know, the thing about this being a nice walkable neighborhood is in the USA, particularly in like rural parts of the US, not a lot of great walkable places. Like many cities are often car only, you can only park places, but it's really cool to see how Bloomington has maintained this very walkable downtown, no doubt because it's right next to the campus. But what's also interesting is that many of the businesses aren't big chains. You know, on that main street, you don't see McDonald's, Starbucks, that sort of thing. You see a lot more local, independent shops. All right, here we begin Indiana University, but I'm going to take you in what we might consider the main gate from the downtown up here. Qdoba Mexican chain. I said there's no chains, but okay, look, there's a few. Well, we got Dagwood's Deli and Sub Shop, under 55 billion served. Well, I guess you were just not that popular. And you will find a Starbucks over here on this corner. Here we go. What do we got? We've got Buffalo Louie's at the Gables, the world's best wings at the world's best college. All right. Do you think they are? Like when people say that, world's best wings, world's best burgers, are they really? All right. Hard to say. If you're looking for some boba tea, we've got a boba tea shop right up here at the Bapu Tea House. And we also have Korean corn dogs by Bapu Tea. They close early. They close at 9. Odd for a boba tea place, if you ask me. Mr. Tokyo, another chicken teriyaki. Chicken teriyaki must be very popular here. Another Indiana store on the corner. And now we're going to walk across the street as we don't get run over to the main gate of the university. Right here, old classic style university, although it turns out these gates aren't actually that old, but if you're looking for the quintessential entrance to campus, it's right through here. And if you're looking for the quintessential view of Bloomington, we turn around and look through the sample gates, which it's bright right now, so kind of doesn't make it out that well. You get the shadow, but that's the quintessential view of town. It's all downhill from here. This little area they call the Woods, and it really does have like an old school foresty kind of feel to it. You can see people walking, people riding their e-bikes. Something that Bloomington has a lot of are these statues like this right here. Lots of these statues around the university, around town, so you can come, and I don't know if it's a thing to like rub their head for good luck, but I'm gonna make it that right there. And this campus is really, really big. So I'm going to leave the exploration of this campus for you when you come to Bloomington. And fellow explorers, if you enjoyed this video and you want to check out my review of the Hyatt Place, as soon as done, it's right here. Or if you want to see more of my walking tours around the world, you can check them out in this playlist right here. Well, fellow explorers, as usual, I won't say goodbye because I'm going to see you in some of those videos.